At the business school, we want to give our students authentic experiences so they learn the knowledge and the skills of business by working with real businesses. This evening, our students are showcasing the excellent work they have done this term with social enterprises. It's really important that students work with the community that they're studying within, and so this is an excellent opportunity for them to explain how they have done that and also give some of the money that they've raised to these charities.
This event is set up by us, our group, for the Unit 19 project showcase for UWTSD. Our aim is to show off the projects from each group and how they've helped the different charities throughout the past semester.
So here this evening with some of our level 4 students on a variety of business courses. All of these guys have done a fantastic job, really engaged with some real world and authentic experiences, something that's really going to add value to their time here at university, something fantastic to put on the CV. We had guys raising money for a wide variety of charities, including local schools, some local enterprises that are looking to develop help in the community, some with ex-convicts, providing them some work experience. So really touching a whole gamut of things, providing people with valuable experiences they can take out into the real world.
So Matthew's House is a not-for-profit organisation based in the heart of Swansea, focusing on the homeless and the vulnerable, because it is quite a big issue and there isn't really any organisations like this about. And if you put yourself in the perspective of a homeless person, where would you go? You know, so there's a safe house for somebody basically.
The plan was first we welcoming everyone who's coming, the family and friends and people in the event, and then we got a band that's providing some music for us at the start, and then we're going to let the public and everyone else walk around and view each of the project groups to see what they've done, and then there's a number of groups who want to give a check to the people of the actual project they've been dealing with, just to show what they've arranged for them and how they've gained it.
It's part of an agenda which started a couple of years ago really, in terms of actually reimagining the way in which business should be taught. And Maggie and Beth and the team within the business school here in Swansea have led the way in terms of redeveloping the curriculum and basing it around a whole series of practical projects.
I think the main aims for the event were to raise awareness, to make people across the Swansea conscious about the goals of our 11 groups. So basically there were 11 groups and each group was supposed to raise awareness for some specific organizations.
We made a feedback questionnaire for the people to ask them what they think about our event. We want to recommend them to join us in the future, maybe in other projects, or they will think about the ideas how we can help for the people.
Swansea Business School is branded as not business as usual, and this is a real drive by the school to actually change the way in which business is taught.